Missing someone without you.
Good morning, my loves. How you doing? Today we're cleaning my white sneakers. So all we need is soap, a cleaning cloth, and a toothbrush. So when it comes to a cleaning cloth, I prefer a lacy cleaning cloth because it's rough and not very rough, not very light, so it's medium. And then when it comes to the toothbrush, it isn't too rough on the sneakers, so you can use any soap of your choice. So let's get to cleaning. Okay, so we're going to start by removing the shoelaces and cleaning those first. But damn, these sneakers have seen better days. They have walked the entire world. So pardon moi, let's concentrate on how I clean them and leave the rest to God. Okay? Okay. So here's the thing, I don't know whether you're going to like it or hate it, but I don't clean the insides of my sneakers. I see no point of cleaning the inside of my sneakers. That is, you see the way people... Wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. I had to close my window. The welding guys, they don't give me breathing space. Okay, you see the way people immerse their sneakers in water and then hang them to dry, not even hang them to dry, put them to dry on direct sun, and then when they get on those sneakers, you remove those sneakers from wherever you put them to dry on direct sun, and they literally look and they are as hard as dried fish or bambla. So I don't do that. I wash only the outside of my sneakers. Okay, and then at the top of my sneakers, the rough parts, the bottom part of the sneakers, that is where I use my toothbrush. I make sure that the toothbrush that I use, the braces are strong enough. Okay, like I just handle them delicately. If they get old, they get old, but they won't get old because I was literally immersing them in water every other day. Every weekend you remove your sneakers, they're inside water. No, I don't do that. We don't do that here. now my last rinse. You see the way I'm rinsing them carefully so that water doesn't get into the sneakers? Yes, water is going to get into the sneakers a little bit here and there. And then when it comes to hanging my sneakers or drying my sneakers, I don't dry my sneakers under direct sun. That only spoils your sneakers. I dry my sneakers where there is shade, especially now that the Nairobi weather, there is not a lot of sun. That is the perfect time to air dry your sneakers. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I wash, clean my sneakers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.